Now, this video is specially made for Toyota 4Runner owners. As in this video, I have listed top 5 best Toyota 4Runner bike roof racks in the market. Plus, I have made this list with full of custom-fit bike roof racks after performing research, which is based on their price, quality, durability, brand reputation, and other features of bike racks. And for your convenience, I have given the link in the description so that you can quickly check out the roof racks. Furthermore, I have ranked them according to usability and compatibility with Toyota 4Runner, so that you can choose them according to your requirement. Number 1. The Fengyu Roof Rack is an exceptional choice for Toyota 4Runner owners seeking a versatile and durable cargo solution. Constructed from high-quality aluminum alloy, this roof rack offers impressive strength without adding excessive weight, ensuring the vehicle's performance remains uncompromised. Its aerodynamic design minimizes wind noise and resistance, contributing to a quieter, more fuel-efficient ride. The Fengyu roof rack features adjustable clamps and an easy installation process, making it a perfect fit for the 4Runner's roof rails while preventing damage to the vehicle's finish. With a robust load capacity, it is ideal for transporting luggage, bicycles, kayaks, and other outdoor gear, making it perfect for adventurous trips. The sleek, low-profile design enhances the 4Runner's rugged aesthetics, while the corrosion-resistant finish ensures long-lasting durability in various weather conditions. Combining practicality, strength, and style, the Fengyu Roof Rack is a top-tier accessory for Toyota 4Runner owners who demand reliability and performance. Number 2. The Antspart Roof Rack is an outstanding choice for Toyota 4Runner owners looking for a durable and reliable cargo solution. Made from high-strength aluminum alloy, this roof rack offers excellent durability without adding significant weight, maintaining the vehicle's performance. Its aerodynamic design reduces wind noise and drag, ensuring a quieter ride. The rack's adjustable clamps and straightforward installation process provide a secure fit, preventing any damage to the vehicle's roof. With a high load capacity, it's perfect for carrying luggage, bikes, kayaks, and other outdoor gear. The corrosion-resistant finish ensures longevity, making the Antspart roof rack a practical and stylish addition to any Toyota 4Runner. Number 3. The Y-Walker's Roof Rack is an exceptional option for Toyota 4Runner owners seeking a reliable and versatile cargo solution. Constructed from premium aluminum alloy, it provides outstanding strength and durability while keeping the vehicle's weight in check for optimal performance. The aerodynamic design of the Y-Walker's roof rack minimizes wind noise and drag, enhancing fuel efficiency and ensuring a quieter ride. Its user-friendly installation process, featuring adjustable clamps, guarantees a secure fit without damaging the 4Runner's roof. With a substantial load capacity, this roof rack is ideal for transporting various items, including luggage, bicycles, kayaks, and other outdoor gear, making it perfect for adventurers. The sleek, low-profile design seamlessly integrates with the 4Runner's rugged aesthetics, while the corrosion-resistant finish ensures long-lasting durability even in harsh weather conditions. Combining practicality, strength, and style, the Y-Walker's Roof Rack is an excellent accessory for Toyota 4Runner owners who value performance and reliability. Number 4. The Wonder Driver Roof Rack is an excellent choice for Toyota 4Runner owners seeking a robust and versatile cargo solution. Constructed from high-quality aluminum alloy, this roof rack offers superior strength without adding unnecessary weight, ensuring the 4Runner's performance remains top-notch. Its aerodynamic design reduces wind noise and drag, enhancing both fuel efficiency and driving comfort. The Wonder Driver Roof Rack features easy-to-adjust clamps, providing a secure fit that prevents damage to the vehicle's roof while ensuring a straightforward installation process. Its impressive load capacity makes it ideal for transporting a variety of items, including luggage, bicycles, kayaks, and other outdoor gear, catering perfectly to adventurous lifestyles. The sleek, modern design complements the 4Runner's rugged aesthetics, while the corrosion-resistant finish ensures long-lasting durability in all weather conditions. Combining functionality, strength, and style, the Wonder Driver roof rack stands out as a premier accessory for Toyota 4Runner owners who demand reliability and performance on every journey. Number 5. The Wonder Driver roof rack is a top-tier choice for Toyota 4Runner owners seeking durability and versatility. Made from high-quality aluminum alloy, it offers exceptional strength without adding excessive weight, preserving the vehicle's performance. Its aerodynamic design minimizes wind noise and drag, enhancing fuel efficiency and ride comfort. The easy-to-adjust clamps ensure a secure, damage-free fit, making installation straightforward. With a robust load capacity, it's perfect for carrying luggage, bicycles, kayaks, and other outdoor gear. The sleek, modern design enhances the 4Runner's rugged look, while the corrosion-resistant finish guarantees long-lasting durability. The Wonder Driver roof rack is an ideal accessory for adventurers. Thank you for watching, guys. The buying link is given in the description below so that you can check them on the Amazon.com and choose them accordingly so that from this video. And I hope you like this video on Best Toyota 4Runner Bike Roof Rack. And if this video is helpful to you, please give us like, comment, and subscribe.